Hello, so today in this video what I am going to be talking about and what I have in front of me is the Kenmore 70 series top load, I believe this is, washing machine. So first off, I've had this washing machine. It's actually my mom's and she had it for about more than 10 to 12 years, I would probably most likely say. So she had this washing machine for a very long time, and just pretty much because I was around her, like how she heard about it. It was pretty much a sale going on at Sears. Let me just clear this up so it won't be so fuzzy. Okay, so I believe the first time she was hearing this about Sears, and it was like a special going on, a sale going on, and just kind of like tired of going to the washing. I was going to say wash machine. Tired of going to the laundromat. So she made the investment and wanted to buy a washing machine, and I actually use this. So I'm very appreciative, and this washing machine I haven't had any problems with the washing machine whatsoever. The only thing about it is, and I think just because it's older, sometimes in the last cycle when it's supposed to be a spin and then all the clothes are supposed to like spread out, like around the rim, just stay around this area, but sometimes it's all like combined and compiled on top of each other. So sometimes I have to put an extra spin on it just so the clothes can drain all that water out, because there's still a lot of water in there. And I really think just because it's an older model and it's been around for a very long time, it definitely makes my life easier, just because you don't have to make the extra trip of going to the laundromat. Not saying I have any problem with it whatsoever, because I went there before, so there's no place for me to judge on anything. I mean, I love laundromats. I had history there, played video games and such. So, but yeah, mostly I just pretty much wash my clothes and clothes, especially my darks and blacks, just so it won't fade as much in this washing machine. It does its job, like I said before, I really don't have any complaints. And you see that it has three different levels as far as water level. You have the small, the medium, and the load. A lot of times I really use the medium. The only time I have a large is like when I'm out of town and just have a lot of clothes I have to, as far as washing is concerned. Small loads, I do that sometimes too, especially when I'm getting ready to go out of town, because I have like last minute things that I want to wash or whatever. And you have 4 different temperatures. You have cold, warm, warm, and hot, cold. And that's just how it is at the beginning. Like you get, maybe like a little warm, and then you get cool off of cold, So it's just a matter of like how you really want to wash your clothes and what's the best, as far as like if you looked at your label. It's a 3-speed motor with 4-speed combinations and an ultraverse system. And then you have your speeds. As far as like if you have something really delicate, you can wash for so slow. If you have something that's only required to do like hand wash, and if you're not like physically hand washing yourself, you have a hand wash and casual, which is a extra slow and a slow cycle. Then you have your normal, slow, fast, and you have your heavy duty, which is fast. I have never ever in my life put it on heavy duty. I never had. But it's pretty much really easy, self-explanatory. I just pretty much do it on super. I do ultra clean, and what I do is I just press it in and I turn it around, for instance, and then I'll pull it out, and then that's when the water will start coming out. And if you want to do on the second rinse or whatever, you can easily put on a second rinse. And then you have where you can do the Permanent, I'm so sorry, talking so fast. Permanent, you have the press, you have the soak, and you have pure wash, and you have the second rinse down here. And it's just telling you how to utilize this turning, spinning bad boy knob. So you see, push and turn clockwise to set, pull to start, and push to stop. So if you're in the middle of something, you can easily just push it to stop it. And then on the side here, oh, Jesus, gonna get that a little hard. They have like a chart of what will be best as far as like suggestions is concerned, like what would be required if you want to do heavy duty, and it has the fabrics and the normal and delicates and hand wash and so forth, and then the symbols that you may have like on your shirts. I know you have like a lot of labels and washing instructions on there, so let's just go and look up on the label and like, okay, and then I know what to do and stuff like that. And then it gives suggestions on like stain removals, like if you have like deodorant stains like on your black t-shirt, or you got cream or milk, or you know, grass and stuff like that. So I thought to myself that this is pretty cool for them to even have a chart to let you know pretty much instructions on, you know, if you're new to washing clothes and stuff like that. And just a little bit more further information. The label again, this is the model number 22722. I don't really count in the 100 because a lot of times it just kind of stops. Where am I? Stops right here for the model number. So yeah, I really don't have any complaints about this washing machine. Again, so this is the Kenmore 70 series heavy duty washing machine, and again the model number is 22722.